Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun little look, okay? She kind of cute. We're here for it. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep watching. First, I'm prepping my skin with the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Using a Juno Co Velvet Sponge, I'm buffing the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation into my skin. For concealer, I'm using the Cover FX Power Play Concealer and just putting that at the high points of my face and blending that out.
Just what I expected when I run my fingers by your necklace, undressed and I'm building that. All that tension, pardon me for reminiscing, but baby, I got to mention that. You and I, we're not too alike. If opposites attract, then by now would have you wrapped up so tight. You and me, we're not meant to be.
For setting powder, I'm going to use my favorite, the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. For an eye base, I'm using MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. First, I'm gonna set that paint pot with the lighter shade in the palette. To start with the crease, I'm gonna use the tan shade and blend that in.
And it would be so selfish to keep it going when I was no when relations were only growing. I got you hoping that we were forever. But if the picture is never painted, how would you take it? A book without enough pages, girl, I can shake it, no. I was only thinking.
Next in the crease, I'm going to take this darker orange shade and blend that into the tan shade.
Every day was a blessing, but everything about us wrong. And by the time I gave you what was too late, you were so in love in your face. When I broke it off, bitter taste and a broken heart for not calling it off before. Was I late? Was I such a dog for inviting?
Next, I'm going back in with that first shade we used, and I'm just going to go back over on the lid, kind of like a cut crease, but just a simple one. To finish the shadow, I'm going to go back in with that darker orange shade and put that at my lower lash line.
Breakfast for the kids, but if opposites attract, then we might find our happiness. But we don't attract, and I don't think we are too alike, too alike, too alike. Don't attract, and I don't think we are too alike.
For a liner, I'm using the Tarte Sex Kitten liquid liner, and this one's a felt tip. So what I'm going to do is first drag a line out to my brow and then go back into my lash line and connect the two.
You and I, we're not too alike. If opposites attract, then by now would have you wrapped up so tight. You and me, we're not meant to be. It was like the moon and the stars didn't fit into place on their own, on their own. It all goes, that's something we all know. We all try to follow, had to leave you hollow. It all goes.
For brows, I'm using my favorite from NYX, the Precision Brow Pencil, and that's an espresso, and then the Control Freak Clear Brow Gel. And I can definitely do a video just doing my brows. If you guys want to see it, just let me know.
It tasted like it could hold my thoughts to the morning, but a cup of tea's enough to let me know you're not my cup of tea, and I ain't tryna bluff. I mean, I'll probably make you blush. Just what I expected when I run my fingers by your necklace, undressed and I'm building that.
To clean up under my brow, I'm using the Wonder Pencil from NYX. This is just basically concealer stick, so any sort of concealer or concealer stick will work.
If opposites attract, then by now would have you wrapped up so tight. You and me, we're not meant to be. It was like the moon and the stars didn't fit into place on their own, on their own. It all goes.
For contour, I'm using the Tarte Hamptons Weekender palette. An easiest way to think for contouring is just in a 3. So you want to contour around your hairline and then down onto your cheekbone and then at your jawline as well.
Selfish to keep it going when I was knowing relations were only growing. I got you hoping that we were.
For blush, I'm using the Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer, and just to give it a little bit more of a bronzy look than a blush look.
Painted out, would you take it a book without enough pages? Girl, I can shake it, no, no.
For highlight, I'm using the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess highlighting powder, and that's in Heat Wave.
About it now, how could I lead you on knowing every day was a blessing, but everything about us wrong, and by the time I gave you what was too late, you were so in love in your face when I broke it off, bitter taste and a broken heart for not calling it off before. Was I late? Was I such a dog for inviting you to my place, getting naked and going off? I think about it often, like what could it have been like?
For lips, I'm doing one of my favorite combos. So the liner is from NYX and it's in the shade Los Angeles. The lipstick is from MAC, it's in the shade Flesh Pot. And then the gloss is also from NYX and it's in the shade Creme Brulee. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe learned something new, or just enjoyed me slay in the face. Super fun. I love doing full glam kind of looks like this. I think it's really fun. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be back very soon with another video. Bye guys.